In this video, we're going to show you how to install your Rhino-Rack backbone and Pioneer 6 platform. Now is a good time to check all your parts and tools are present. There are 3 roof variants: raised rail, flush rail and bare roof. The first step is to remove your factory rails or ditch cover for bare roof variants. The steps are the same for both of the factory rail options. Use the trim tool to take the front and rear covers off. Once they are off, there are 2 bolts, front and rear. Break the bolts simultaneously, half a turn at a time, alternating between each. Do this for both the front and rear of each rail. Once the rear and front bolts are undone, go to the center brace. Again, break the bolts simultaneously, half a turn at a time, alternating between each. Remove the rail and remove factory mounting plate for raised rail variant. Mount the Rhino-Rack cast piece, ensuring arrows are pointed outwards. Insert both hex head bolts and tighten them simultaneously, half a turn at a time, so that you don't dislodge the plate that's mounted underneath the roof. Tighten to the torque specification listed in the supplied instructions. Repeat this process for all mounting points. Loosely place the backbone over the roof. Use the hex head flange bolt to mount the backbone to the cast pieces, starting with the center leg. Lightly tighten. Assemble the hardware of the front and rear legs and incrementally tighten the bolts for each leg. Tighten each bolt to 8 to 10 Newton meters. Repeat this process for the other backbone. You'll need to set the underbars of your Pioneer platform to the correct positions. On the Rhino-Rack website, complete the Fit My Vehicle journey to find your vehicle's specific fit chart. Once your underbars are in the correct positions, insert the T-bolts into the channels of the underbars. Slide the T-bolts to the ends of the underbars. With the help of a friend, lift the platform into position, making sure it's facing the correct way. Make sure the platform is centered, so there is equal overhang on the left and right sides. Take the supplied washers and M8 nylock nuts and secure the platform with the T-bolts. Torque these nuts to 15 to 20 Newton meters. Enjoy your new Rhino-Rack backbone and Pioneer platform.